दोस्तों आज के इस शॉर्ट वीडियो में मैं एक ग्रामेटिकल एरर एक्सप्लेन करने वाला हूं। जैसे कि आप बोर्ड पर देख रहे हो। अ, आज का हमारा सेंटेंस है नेवर आई हैव हर्ड ऑफ सच अ थिंग। दोस्तों क्या ये सेंटेंस ग्रामेटिकली करेक्ट है? क्या आपको लगता है कि इसमें कोई एरर नहीं है, कोई मिस्टेक नहीं है? वैसे तो शैलो लेवल पे, सरफेस लेवल पे कोई मिस्टेक नजर नहीं आती, मगर डीपर लेवल पर यहाँ एक मिस्टेक है। इफ यू लुक एट दिस सेंटेंस very carefully, very closely, you will find one grammatical mistake, and that grammatical mistake is here with the word helping verb. Okay, actually this helping verb should be before subject, and here it came after subject. So the correct sentence will be never, never have I heard of such a such a thing. Now this is 100% correct sentence. This is now this is grammatically 100% correct. Okay. Now you might ask me why have should come before subject. Is there any particular rule? Yes, there is a rule. Okay. It sounds like an interrogative sentence. Never have I heard of such a thing. It sounds like an interrogative sentence, but it is not an interrogative sentence. Okay, it is affirmative sentence only, assertive sentence only. Okay, there is a rule in grammar, my dear friends. According to the rule, when the words like seldom, rarely, neither or neither, not only, and never, ये जो वर्ड्स है, when any sentence begins with either of these four, that is seldom, rarely, neither or not only or never, that time helping verb comes before subject, not after subject, but it must come before subject. This is the rule of grammar. Okay. Uh, for example, now let us use the word seldom in a sentence. Seldom, seldom I visited. Seldom have I visited, not I. Sorry. Seldom have I visited. I visited that place. Okay, now this is grammatically correct. Okay, not seldom I have visited. That is grammatically incorrect sentence. Understand? My dear friends, look at this example. Seldom have I visited that place. This is grammatically correct sentence. Okay, if I write seldom I have visited that place. Again, this will be wrong sentence. Wrong sentence. Why wrong sentence? This one is correct. This is wrong because here subject helping verb is coming after subject. And what is the rule? According to the rule, when these words seldom, rarely, neither, not only, never come in the beginning of the sentence, or when a sentence begins with either of these 4 5 words, that time helping verb should come before subject, not after subject. So here this is incorrect. Okay. Yes, understood. Okay. Now let us use rarely. So rarely is also the same way. For example, rarely have we met him. So this is also correct because here helping verb is coming before subject. Understood? Yes. Next word is not only. Not only has he said that, but also dash dash. Okay. So anyway, here the helping verb came before subject he. Understood? So this is grammatically correct, right? Neither also same. For example, neither is she dash dash etc. Okay, so in this way the helping verb has to come before the subject, then only it is grammatically correct. Okay, when in short, when any sentence begins with either of these four words, that is seldom, rarely, neither, not only, never, etc., that time helping verb should come before subject and not after subject. This is the rule of the grammar. Okay, it looks like, or the sentence sounds like an interrogative sentence, like a question, but actually it is not question. Okay, it is assertive sentence. It will be an assertive sentence, assertive sentence. Okay, and not interrogative sentence. Hope you found the video informative. You learned something new in this video. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. We will meet soon in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Thank you. Thank you.